Guys, today we're seeing what my cat's doing. So, I have my cat here, and I don't know what's wrong with him. He doesn't want to get down. He just wants to hang out, and he just keeps meowing. I don't know what you want, buddy. No? Are you okay? No? You're not okay? Or yes, you are okay. Are you not okay? What do you want? Down? You want to get down? Yeah? Okay, 1 second. And then when he goes down, he just goes to the door. And I don't know why he wants to be at the door. But he might have to go to the bathroom or something. Or maybe he wants his toy or something. Bye, buddy. He came to my room in the first place. Came scratching on my door. I just don't understand. He just came like doing this. Did he come back? No, he didn't. I thought I heard him meowing or something. But I just don't really understand. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah, bye. We're out. Love you all. Goodbye.